Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to install IntelliJ. Okay, sometimes it's easier than using Eclipse, so it's up to you. So go to Google, IntelliJ Java download, and go to JetBrains. Click there and download the community edition. Okay. Download here, sorry. Download IntelliJ. Okay, scroll down. You're gonna see community edition. Okay, this is that you have to download because that is free. When you click there, you can skip this part and just click here and to download that directly without enter any information. Okay. Okay, now that you download the installer, just double click and install it. Okay. You can create a shortcut, you can update the path, just default, whatever you want, install. Okay. Almost done. Oh, okay. So now you need to reboot, good idea. It's gonna launch IntelliJ. Look like we have a previous version here, so you are not gonna have that. Let's see. Okay. Now let's gonna see how to create a project. New project. Okay, for example, contact. For example. Okay, select Maven. Let me see if it's a new version. I was gonna select in, don't select Maven, it's gonna do that simple. Go to new project. Okay, here. Java, build system, Maven. Okay, that's it. Java, Maven. And select here your Java version. Okay, create. See that you have the source here and you have the test. So here you're gonna create the JUnit test. Here you're gonna create the model class, the services. Okay, I'm gonna do an example. Okay, and if you don't wanna, let me show you. What is that? You remember what we created? Okay, as you see, we have a lot of, it's like a package, right? With a lot of path. If you don't want that, just create like this project, example. Doesn't see Java, maybe doesn't see, but he's here. And check add sample code. If you uncheck that, you're not gonna have like the package, the path that was too deep, and it's gonna be much easier to manage that. So here in Java, you can create a new class, right? For example, contact, right? Okay, assume that you create all the attributes, whatever you want to create that here, right? Everything here, right? So after creating that, uh, you can type, you can select Alt, the key Alt, and press Enter. And see what you have here, create test. When you click there, you're gonna create JUnit Test 5. The class is gonna be contact test, and you can add the setup before, tear down, after, no, many things. Let's gonna click OK. Now you have the contact test here. See that it incorporates the assertion. So what happened here? Let me see here. Add unit 4 to the path, because sometimes you need JUnit 4. And then what else here? You need to add, I already added. Let me see here. Unit 5 now. And now you are ready to create the JUnit test. See that this is really simple. So here you can create the attribute, you can create constructor, the method, whatever you want here. And remember, press Alt and then Enter. When you do that, it's gonna create for you the contact test. So the same thing, okay. New Java class, contact service, right? Okay, contact service. Okay, now what do you have to do is press Alt, Enter, but you have to select, I guess I forgot to tell you that. Select, put the cursor on the class, the name of the class, contact service. Now Alt, Enter, create test. See that? When I create unit test, contact service test. Okay, boom. Got it? So this is that you have to do. I hope this video helped. Thank you.